There are journeys that pass unnoticed, and there are journeys that stay with you. In 2018, Mercedes-Benz didn't just build a car, they created a companion for the road, the E220d. At first glance, it doesn't demand attention, it doesn't shout. It simply stands there, confident and composed, as if it already knows who it is. Beneath the hood lives a 2.0-liter 654 diesel engine, delivering 194 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. Power that doesn't rush to prove itself, but waits patiently, ready when you need it. Press the accelerator and the world begins to move differently. The 9G-tronic automatic transmission shifts so smoothly that time itself seems to slow down. From 0 to 100 in just 7 seconds, yet inside, everything feels calm and controlled. This is not a car built for chaos, it is built for clarity. On long highways, the E220d finds its true voice, or rather, its silence. With fuel consumption hovering around 5 to 5 liters per 100 kilometers, it glides forward effortlessly, protecting both your focus and your peace. Road noise fades, fatigue disappears, and only the journey remains. Inside, the cabin feels like a quiet conversation between engineering and elegance. Premium materials surround you, every surface thoughtfully shaped, every control exactly where instinct tells you it should be. Nothing is excessive, nothing is missing. Whether guided by rear-wheel drive or the confidence of Firmatic all-wheel drive, the E220d stays grounded, balanced, and reassuring no matter the season or the road. It doesn't challenge the world, it understands it. The Mercedes-Benz E220d 2018 does not seek admiration through noise or aggression. Its strength lies in refinement, its luxury in effortlessness. Because true luxury is not about being noticed, it is about how it makes you feel. And a Mercedes is simply felt.